Hello. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where simple materials turn into timeless inspiration. If you love rustic home decor, creative wood design, and ideas that actually work in real homes, you're in the right place. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because we regularly share practical decor ideas, design breakdowns, and creative concepts you can use for your own home or decor business. In today's video, we are recreating one of our most popular rustic wood decor designs, a piece that started as simple scrap wood and evolved into a true bestseller. This isn't just about making something beautiful, it's about understanding why this design works, what makes people connect with it, and how thoughtful design choices can turn a humble idea into a high-demand decor piece. Rustic decor has a unique emotional power. It feels warm, grounded, and honest. Unlike overly polished or mass-produced decor, rustic wood pieces tell a story. The natural grain, small imperfections, and handcrafted feel invite people to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. That emotional connection is one of the key reasons this design resonated so strongly with our audience. When we first created this piece, we weren't chasing trends, we focused on balance, proportion, and authenticity. Today, as we recreate it step by step, we want to share the thinking behind every decision, so you can apply the same principles to your own decor ideas. The foundation of this best-selling design is simplicity with intention. We started with scrap wood, not because it was trendy, but because it offered character. Each piece had its own grain pattern, texture, and tone. Instead of forcing uniformity, we embraced those differences. In rustic decor, perfection isn't the goal, harmony is. When recreating this design, the first step is selecting wood pieces that complement each other visually. Even when sizes vary slightly, aligning grain direction and tone creates cohesion. This approach gives the finished piece a natural flow that feels effortless but intentional. One of the most important elements of this design is proportion. Many decor projects fail not because of poor craftsmanship, but because the scale feels off. This piece was designed to work in a variety of spaces: living rooms, entryways, bedrooms, even small apartments. The height, width, and depth were carefully balanced so the decor feels present without overpowering the room. When recreating it, we stick closely to these proportions, because they are a major reason customers loved the original. Good design doesn't shout, it fits. Texture plays a huge role in rustic decor, and this design uses texture thoughtfully. The wood surface is lightly refined but not oversanded. You can still feel the grain under your fingers. Edges are softened just enough to feel comfortable, while still maintaining an organic shape. This balance between raw and refined makes the piece versatile. It fits farmhouse interiors, modern rustic homes, and even minimalist spaces that need a warm accent. As we recreate the design, every sanding pass and surface treatment is done with purpose, not to erase the wood's history, but to highlight it. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more decor ideas that actually work, like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. Your support helps us keep creating content like this. Another key factor behind this design's success is functionality. Beautiful decor is important, but decor that serves a purpose is even better. This piece wasn't created as decoration alone, it adds structure, visual balance, and practical value to a space. Whether it's used as wall decor, shelf-style accent, or focal piece, it contributes to the room rather than just filling space. When recreating it, we make sure that every element has a reason to exist. Nothing is added just for decoration. This intentional approach is something viewers and buyers immediately feel, even if they can't explain it. Color and finish are where many rustic designs either succeed or fail. Too dark, and the piece feels heavy. Too light, and it loses depth. For this bestseller, the finish was kept natural and warm. The goal was to enhance the wood's character without masking it. As we recreate the design, we apply finish gradually, allowing the grain to remain visible and tactile. This subtlety is one of the reasons the design photographs beautifully and looks even better in person, an important factor for online sales and visual platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. One thing that made this design stand out was its adaptability. Customers loved that it could be styled in multiple ways. With greenery, it feels fresh and organic. With metal accents, it leans industrial rustic. With neutral decor, it becomes calm and minimalist. When recreating the piece, we keep the design flexible so viewers can imagine it in their own homes. This is a powerful lesson for any decor creator. Designs that invite personalization tend to perform better than rigid, single-style pieces. Behind every best-selling design is a strong visual rhythm. In this project, repetition and spacing were used to guide the eye naturally across the piece. Nothing feels crowded, and nothing feels empty. The human eye loves balance, and when a design feels balanced, people instinctively trust it. As we rebuild this decor piece, we pay close attention to spacing, alignment, and visual weight. These details may seem small, but they are often the difference between a design that's admired and one that's purchased. This recreation is also about confidence in simplicity. It's tempting to add extra elements, more layers, more details, more decoration, but restraint is what makes this design timeless. Trends come and go, but simple, well-proportioned rustic decor remains relevant year after year. By staying true to the original concept and refining rather than complicating it, we preserve the qualities that made it successful in the first place. As we work through this design again, it becomes clear that its success wasn't accidental. It was the result of understanding materials, respecting space, and designing with people in mind. Whether you're creating decor for your own home or building a small decor business, these principles apply universally. Focus on quality over quantity. Let materials speak. Design for real spaces, not just photos. When you do that, your work naturally connects with others. If you're finding value in this content, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and share this video with someone who loves rustic home decor. The story of this design from scrap wood to bestseller is a reminder that great ideas don't require expensive materials. They require clarity, patience, and a willingness to listen to what works. Recreating this piece isn't about copying the past, it's about honoring a design that resonated and understanding why it did. By revisiting it, we gain insight into our own creative process and refine our approach moving forward. As the recreation comes together, the finished piece feels familiar yet fresh. It carries the same warmth and character that made it popular, while benefiting from the experience gained since its first creation. This evolution is part of the creative journey, and it's something we are excited to share with you. At Kuki Decor, our goal is not just to show finished pieces, but to reveal the thinking behind them, because that's where real growth happens. Thank you for spending this time with us and being part of the Kuki Decor community. Your support allows us to keep exploring design ideas, revisiting successful projects, and sharing what we learn along the way. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment letting us know what kind of decor designs you'd like to see next. From rustic classics to modern interpretations, we are excited to keep creating with you.